Oh, this is a crazy story. Twin sisters shoot fast food father of one worker in the face over a $3 hamburger.
Twin sisters.
Can
so
I get
both of them?
Can I get Mo's attention with this one or no? He looked back at his laptop, but I felt like this requires his attention.
I missed this.
So this guy's working late night at a fast food shop, and he's the only one working. You know how that can happen.
Yeah.
Late at night. And then you can get a rush of people, and people are stressed because you're the only server.
It's tough.
Which is what he was. And this was in Wisconsin. Somehow, some kind of dispute erupted over, first of all, the wait. People were pissed off with the wait.
Well, he's only one person.
Stop being so reasonable over there.
Yeah, but in the drive-thru, you don't know that.
I don't think it was a drive-thru, actually.
Oh, really?
No, I think it was a takeout. Anyway, well, as you see the story unfold here.
Okay.
So they were pissed off to begin with the wait, and then once their food was delivered to them, it was missing one $3 hamburger. And allegedly, this put these individuals over the top. That is a picture of twin sisters Brianna and Brianta Johnson, both 20, who allegedly became impatient waiting on their order. According to the account of the story from the individual, the server, he was apparently body slammed by one of them.
Whoa.
Like jumped over the counter? I'm trying to envision how this looks.
Well, it's hard to envision it. And so he's body slammed and he's on the ground, at which point the other one, one passes the gun to the other one and they line him up, shoot him in the face.
What?
Senseless.
I mean, allegedly.
This is senseless.
Allegedly. And here's his quote. I do remember laying on the ground just bleeding out. He survived, Mo. He survived, believe it or not.
Oh, my God.
He survived. I was in so much shock. I don't remember being in much pain, but I remember kind of internally freaking out, being scared, telling myself, wow, I'm going to die here.
They're fast food. There should be cameras, right?
Oh, yeah.
There has to be.
Yeah, I don't think anybody's...
It be
I don't think any...
then?
Yeah,
well, it's allegedly until they're convicted in court of law.
Oh, okay.
Well,
so they probably do have the footage.
You know how this works.
Clearly, I don't.
It's allegedly until the court has convicted them.
Oh.
They're innocent until proven guilty. This guy, it's crazy. He shows an X-ray of where the bullet hit, and it came through the cheek, took out all this side of his mouth, all the teeth, the jaw, everything. He just started speaking recently.
Oh my God! Their bail is $100,000
each. Obviously, they're being charged with attempted homicide.
Yeah, attempted murder.
Attempted murder. Really, I mean, you shoot somebody in the face.
You only have one intent there.
They're pretty lucky to make it.
Yeah.
There's not a lot of spots in the face where the person's gonna survive. Obviously.
Oh my God! A sandwich.
What's crazy is they interviewed his mom after, and she was saying how, he was working late night shift at the fast food, and the daughter was in the military, and she was saying that she worried more about him than she did about her.
Wow.
Because of the risks associated with just doing the night shift. And not to say that it's inevitable if that's what you're doing, but I mean, people come in intoxicated or whatever. And what do they say? Nothing good happens after 2 a.m.?
Yeah.
You ever heard that before?
The grandmas say that.
Yeah. I think I'm a grandma. No, obviously good things can happen after 2 a.m. But it's just, yeah. Well, the guy survived, so shout out for that. That's
amazing.
Wild experience. I don't know if he's going back to that job or not.
No,